Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the ASB, NET flavor, and ensuring you have a client-side file structure. Add a dedicated JS file or an inline script block in your shared layout. This avoids duplication. Once done, include the script src reference just before /body so the DOM loads first. Make sure the file path matches wwroot or scripts folder conventions. You can also register scripts via bundling or tag helpers. Choose the method that fits your build pipeline and environment. Now you connect JavaScript to server logic by passing data and calling endpoints. Render model values as JSON into a global object or data * attributes so JS reads typed data easily. Then use fetch or $. AJAX to call controller actions or web API endpoints. Include anti-forgery tokens for post. For UI updates, attach event listeners with add event listener or delegated handlers so dynamically added elements respond. This keeps concerns separate. Finish by optimizing and verifying the interaction. Bundle and minify scripts and add version query strings to avoid stale caches. Test your AJAX flows and validate server responses. If something breaks, inspect console and network panels, then reproduce with breakpoints in chash and set logging for async errors. Make sure forms still submit or present a fallback when JavaScript is disabled. If issues persist, check relative paths and cores. These are common blockers when fetch returns opaque or blocked responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.